Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway. We are driving on the section that runs from Kingston to Yalos. Now the entire highway is 110 kilometers long and it's going to run from Kingston to Port Antonio. And that is going to be 110 kilometers a highway road. This is the largest road project that's on the way in Jamaica today. A second project, which is the expanding Highway 2000 from Maypen to Mandeville, is on the way, but it's nothing on the scale of this highway. This highway is going through the parishes of St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and Portland. It's literally building a highway from Kingston to Port Antonio. This is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica right now. Alright, so because the project is so large, it's being done in phases. And for phase 1A is building the road from the Harbourview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge. So the highway will start in the parish of St. Andrew at the Harbourview Bridge. And this section will finish at the Yalos Bridge. So from Kingston to Harbourview, the highway runs along the existing roadway. So those two lanes that take you from from Harbourview to Bull Bay, the highway will use that existing route, but those two lanes will be converted to 4 lanes. So the government has purchased the land adjacent to beside the road because there are structures on it, and they have to demolish those structures to put the additional 2 lanes. So that has been done, and that road, the section from Kingston to 11 miles, is under construction. Now the section from 11 miles to where we are now, which is by the Suncoast Adventure Park, a new road was built. 4 lanes, dual carriageway, built from 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park. So the road no longer went along the existing roadway, but a new roadway was created. And from the Suncoast Adventure Park, where we are now, to Grandspend, the road is going to go along the existing roadway, and that roadway was expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So as you can see, this is the road we're going to drive on now, the section from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Grandspend. Now from Grandspend to Albion, a new roadway has been built, and then from Albion to Yalos, it will run along the existing roadway, and the road will be 2 lanes. So the entire roadway from the Harbourview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge is going to be 17.4 kilometers. It's going to be 4 lanes from Kingston to Albion, and then from Albion to Yalos, it's going to be 2 lanes. Between Kingston and 11 miles, it will run along the existing roadway. From 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, you get a new roadway. From the Suncoast Adventure Park to Grandspend, it runs along the existing roadway, and from Grandspend to Albion, it will go along a new route. And then from Albion to Yalos, it goes along the existing roadway. So we're going to drive on this section now, which is the section from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Grandspend, and this is actually at this section of the road, the 2 lanes have been completed. Now as you can see, there are 2 lanes on the left, 2 lanes on the right of the concrete barricade. 2 lanes on the left you can drive on, that section of the road is completed. The 2 lanes on the right is still under construction. So when completed, it's going to be 4 lanes. So let's take a tour on this section of the highway, which is from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Grandspend. So let's take a look at the road that they have now built. So as you can see, you have these 2 lanes, and then on the right of the barricade you have another 2 lanes that's under construction. So when finished, you'll have 2 lanes in this direction and 2 lanes in the other direction. But for now, both sides of the road use this same section. But as you can see, this is a very nice road. It's a difference of night and day from the road that was here before. The road that was here before was an awful road to drive on, and because the road was so terrible and so bad, you didn't have a lot of persons traveling to this side of the island. St. Thomas was once known as the forgotten parish. But now you have so much potential for this parish. I mean, the Morant Bay Urban Center is being built, and just to give you an example of the interest people have in St. Thomas now. The Morant Bay Urban Center was to be, say, 5,000 square feet. But because of this highway, so many people wanted to be a part of that project that they had to extend the project from 500 to 600 square feet. That's just an example. So it's under construction, and we'll have videos up of what the project is, and we'll keep you guys updated as it progresses. Now, that's just one example. Housing developments are going up in St. Thomas, all because of this road. This road is making it so much easier for persons to reach St. Thomas and Portland. Okay, so at this section now, it still runs along the existing roadway, but they just built a new road because of the corners and the curves. So we're going over here to take a look. Today we're focusing on the section from Kingston to Yalos. Later in the week we're going to focus on the section from Yalos to Morant Bay, and we'll make videos of the construction of the Morant Bay Urban Center to let you guys know what kind of progress is going on. But we have videos up on every section, everything we've talked about. We have videos up on the channel, so you can check it out. Even though the road runs along the existing roadway, sometimes it's easier just to build 4 new lanes beside the existing 2 lanes than it is to just build 2 lanes beside the existing road, because the space is so narrow. Okay, we can actually come out here. So the road will actually go straight across, but that section is not finished yet. So just have to be very careful. A lot of construction going on. All right, so we're back on the existing road now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of the project. And if you have any input to add, let us know. We can use your information on upcoming videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.